This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by launching the document reader and granting permissions. This lets the app capture pages and save files. Once granted, sign in or create an account so settings sync across devices. Make sure to choose language and scanning quality preferences in the setup prompts because they determine OCR accuracy. If you have sample documents ready, tap the scan button now and position the camera. Steady framing reduces blur and speeds recognition, so hold still for 1 to 2 seconds. With a clean scan captured, run OCR to extract text. This is the heart of searchable documents. Once done, proofread the recognized text and correct errors. OCR mistakes are common with low contrast or handwriting. Then use the app's editing tools to highlight, annotate, or redact sensitive info. Organize files immediately by renaming, tagging, or moving them into folders or a cloud service for backup, because consistent naming saves time later when you search or batch export multiple files. Finalize by exporting in the format that fits your workflow: PDF for presentation, searchable PDF for indexing, or TXT for editing. Once exported, share through email, cloud links, or direct app sharing, and make sure to set view or edit permissions to control access. If the OCR or export fails, retry scanning with improved lighting, higher DPI, or a flatter document surface. Alternatively, toggle language and recognition settings. Then reprocess the image to improve accuracy and prevent repeated errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.